Last century, approximately 100 ships and aircraft have vanished in the notorious Bermuda Triangle region. Scientists are actively investigating the cause behind these mysterious disappearances and significant disasters in this area. Similar anomalies have been observed worldwide. In today's video, we'll explore the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle. Before we dive in, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for additional content. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a region in the western North Atlantic Ocean marked by points in Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It gained notoriety due to reported mysterious disappearances of aircraft and ships. Despite various theories, many experts attribute these incidents to the normal challenges of a heavily traveled and unpredictable ocean region. The Bermuda Triangle, spanning from the Bermuda Islands in Florida to Puerto Rico, covers about 805,000 square kilometers. It includes the Milwaukee Deep, the Atlantic Ocean's deepest point. The vastness and profound underwater features contribute to the difficulty of locating missing ship and aircraft components. Discoveries of lost vessels often defy logical explanation. Mysterious messages stored in black boxes of planes that crashed within the Bermuda Triangle add intrigue to this perilous area. In 1944, the U.S. Navy discovered a ship named Rubicon in the Bermuda Triangle. The ship, presumed sunk after losing contact near Florida a month earlier while en route from Cuba to Havana, caused great distress to relatives of the passengers. The military, expecting over 300 people on board, found only a stray dog upon arrival. Surprisingly, all belongings and food supplies were untouched, as if the passengers had vanished instantly. This incident is not isolated. In an earlier incident, a similar occurrence took place with the French ship Rosalia in 1840. This ship, traveling from Hamburg to Havana, was discovered in the Sargasso Sea near the Bermuda Triangle. Time on the vessel appeared frozen, with lunch waiting in the kitchen, yet not a single person was on board. Only a starving canary chirped in its cage. A comparable tale unfolded in 1872 with the American ship, the Mary Celeste, en route from New York to Italy through the Bermuda Triangle. It was located a year later near the Azores. On board, untouched treasures were found in the captain's cabin, along with a surviving cat. In 1945, Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers, disappeared without a trace during a routine exercise. The theory of simultaneous failure for all 5 aircraft appears implausible, considering they underwent thorough testing before departure. There are even more logical gaps in the story of what transpired with a Beechcraft Bonanza plane on December 4th, 1970. Departing from Andros Island in the Bahamas and bound for the coast of Florida, the pilot and 2 passengers had to cover a distance of 400 kilometers, typically a 90-minute flight. At 3,500 meters, the pilot encountered a massive cylindrical cloud, experiencing darkness and strange flashes upon passing through it. Despite initial resignation, a light appeared after a minute. The narrow cloud tunnel caused electronic malfunctions and a spinning compass. Surprisingly, the plane emerged near Miami after 47 minutes with low fuel usage. This event is eclipsed by the enigmatic disappearance of Pan American World Airways Flight 914 in 1955. Believed to have crashed, the wreckage was never found. An article, 37 years later, recounted a plane in a Venezuelan airport in 1992, claiming to be Flight 94. The pilot, thinking it was still 1955, hastily took off, disappearing from radar again. While incidents in the Bermuda Triangle remain mysterious, skepticism is warranted about the weekly world news. The tabloid's writers craft paranormal explanations to attract readers, differentiating their content from other newspapers. Scientists persist in exploring this perilous zone for scientific explanations. The pilot's last words on June 28, 1980, aboard flight N3808H, conveyed uncertainty about objects in the sky. Since then, the plane and its crew are officially missing in the Bermuda Triangle, adding to the region's unsolved mysteries. Although numerous scientists propose theories to unravel the mystery of the enigmatic sea area, Each harbors their own perspective. Some researchers attribute shipwrecks to numerous shoals and reefs, a plausible explanation in the era of wooden ships, but less relevant with modern ship equipment. Another theory focuses on masses of bubbles in the Bermuda Triangle waters, believed to be explosive methane gas released from cracks in tectonic plates. While this theory suggests the potential destruction of ships, it fails to account for cases where missing ships were found completely intact. Geologists introduce another theory, asserting that infrasound generated by storm-induced waves could negatively impact the nervous system, inducing panic and irrational behavior in a ship's crew. Despite these varied theories, Bermuda Triangle's mysteries persist. Deserted ships in the Bermuda Triangle, with belongings intact, may result from passengers going overboard. However, this explanation doesn't apply to airplanes. Meteorologist Steve Miller theorized hexagonal clouds from NASA. Images could generate powerful winds, forming aerial bombs capable of sinking ships or causing aircraft accidents at hurricane speeds of 300 km/h. Confirmation requires further observations, as current images lack evidence of air-directed funnels. The Bermuda Triangle's notoriety arises from media coverage, documentaries, and films, inspiring individuals like Jaden Hunsaker to offer personal hypotheses on disappearances at sea and in the air. One prevailing theory suggests that the Bermuda Triangle is a hotbed of extraterrestrial activity. UFO enthusiasts propose that alien abductions and advanced technologies could be responsible for the vanishing ships and aircraft. While this theory may captivate the minds of science fiction enthusiasts, it lacks substantial evidence to support its claims. Others attribute the disappearances to the presence of massive underwater craters or sinkholes. These geological formations, proponents argue, could cause sudden and violent disruptions, swallowing vessels and planes without a trace. However, there is limited scientific evidence to substantiate the existence of such craters on a scale that would explain the numerous incidents reported in the Bermuda Triangle. Some theorists delve into the realms of paranormal activity, suggesting that the Bermuda Triangle is a gateway to another dimension, or a vortex where time and space become distorted. While this theory adds a layer of intrigue, it lacks empirical evidence and remains firmly within the realm of speculation. Scientifically inclined explanations center around the presence of methane hydrate deposits on the ocean floor. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, could be released in large quantities, causing the water to lose buoyancy and ships to sink rapidly. However, this theory faces criticism for its limited applicability, as not all incidents within the Bermuda Triangle can be attributed to methane hydrates. Natural phenomena, such as magnetic anomalies, are also considered as potential explanations. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the points on Earth where true north and magnetic north align, creating compass variations that could disorient pilots and sailors. While this may explain some incidents, it does not account for the mysterious disappearances that have fueled the legend. Another natural force that has garnered attention is the presence of underwater methane hydrate deposits. Methane hydrates, also known as methane ice, are crystalline structures that form under high pressure and low temperatures on the ocean floor. The theory suggests that disturbances, such as seismic activity or changes in water temperature, could release large pockets of methane gas. If a ship were above such a release, it might rapidly lose buoyancy, causing it to sink without a trace. While this hypothesis offers a scientifically grounded explanation, it remains speculative, as conclusive evidence linking methane hydrates to Bermuda Triangle incidents is yet to be established. In conclusion, the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle continues to be an enigma, with various theories attempting to unravel its secrets. While some explanations border on the fantastical, others explore scientific possibilities. The lack of concrete evidence and the diversity of incidents within the region contribute to the enduring allure of the Bermuda Triangle, ensuring that it remains one of the most perplexing mysteries of the modern era. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.